What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I have a new video for you about the Beoplay portals. Full disclosure, B&O sent these over for review and you guys know I love B&O, right? But these are on a new level. These are probably my new favorite headphones. I think they may even beat the H95s for me. I hope you're gonna like this video because at the later end, I'll try and hopefully through YouTube show what Dolby Atmos can do and mic test and everything. But yeah, let's get into it. So first let's have a look what's in the box. This is the very nice box made for Xbox. And is this a one-handed thing? No, gotta put you down. So first we have the headphones. Obligatory peel. Yeah, come on, second one. And then we have these beautiful headphones. Look at the cushion. The cushion is shaped like no other B&O headphones at the moment. We'll get into that a bit later. Then underneath is a manual, like this, your little moisture wicker. Then in here we have a 1.8 meter USB-C to USB B cable. B, right? Yeah. And we have a quick little start guide, Dolby Atmos and how to activate it. And we have the 3.5mm jack. So that's really nice. By the way, this is both charging and audio if you want it to be. And this is just for passive use. So let's get into some review bits of this. As per usual, they smell absolutely fantastic. The leather, again, on the ear cups, quality stuff. Top notch. I really enjoy wearing these. If you look at the ear cup, you see it's a bit offset. That's like for extra jaw support. They have noise cancelling. I don't really think you need it because they seal amazingly well. Besides actually talking to myself, I hear myself talking, which does the job. If you play any sort of music, if anybody speaks to me, I don't really hear it. I can basically not hear my whiny cats. Then, as per usual, you have the left and right in there. The headband is firm but well padded, and in terms of, like I said, the ear cups with the jaw support, I actually think they're more comfy than the H95s they currently have, and that's saying something because those are really comfy. With sessions for like gaming and whatnot, I can wear these for 6+ hours and I really don't notice that I've been wearing them. In terms of battery, on Bluetooth they last for I think 24 hours. I'll try and pop up some specs here, but you can also go to the B&O website. For Xbox, since they don't connect over Bluetooth but over a 2.4 gigahertz network, they don't last as long. But then that's expected because it takes more power. We'll get into that a bit more in a mo, and I'll pop up the specs. If you're going to use these for music, I want to say they're not the most accurate in the world, but they're very fun to listen to. What I mean by that is that if you listen to any modern day music, it's actually quite excellent to listen to. They're bassy, they're responsive, they're not overly bassy, but more so than you're used to from a brand like B&O. If you listen to older stuff, I guess the only thing really happens is that like 60s, 70s music sounds a bit more like modern music. It's a bit bass boosted. As you may have heard, a cat with these on, you don't hear them. Alright, back from cat duties. As I was saying, the headphones fit on your head perfectly. The pressure is about right. The headband is really comfortable. Also, the padding is really thick and luscious. So, for me, as somebody who wears glasses, I don't feel any extra pressure on the legs of my glasses. With other headphones, certain Sennheisers, their ear cushions are really comfortable, but they're a bit harder and they're the sort of velvety stuff. And I feel like my glasses are doing that at the side of my head, but not with these. Very, very comfortable. The sound is, like I said, it makes everything sound kind of new. For new music, that's fine because it's new. For older music, it's a bit bass boosted, but it does sound very much enjoyable. If you go for controls here on the right, you have a power on off button, a 3.5mm jack and USB-C, which does and charging and audio and both at the same time if you want. It'll also carry your mic signal because there is a virtual mic arm, they call it. It works quite well. You'll hear it in a second. Then on the back, you have a flat bit. Swipe up for volume up, swipe down for volume down. On the right is your ANC. So swipe up all the way and you hear a dunk, and that's full transparency mode. You can then go down, you hear a dunk, and that means you're in like nothing, not transparent, not ANC. And then you go all the way down and you hear a blunk, and then you're in full ANC mode. You can stop at any gradation of those three steps you like. It's totally up to you. I personally like them in nothing because, like I said, if I was wearing these and my cat was just meowing, I wouldn't have heard them, and somebody would be yelling me eventually to take care of the cats. So let's get into a little bit of the gaming, and for that we'll move over to the PC. I'll be doing this over USB-C because over USB-C you have infinite lifetime, but also you get uncompressed audio. All you need is the B&O app, and with the B&O app and attach these, and you have a lifetime Dolby Atmos codec. What do you call it? You get it for life basically because it recognizes their Atmos and that it's paid for, I guess, because you bought these, and you're good to go. So let's get over to the PC. So now we're at the computer, and when you attach it to the PC and you download the Dolby Atmos app, they become fully functional. And like I said, the app changes to black. It's nice and blacked out, and you have your presets. Also, I'm now on the Beoplay portals. This is the virtual mic boom. This is what it sounds like. And when you go to the B&O website, in terms of ads, B&O do more of this. This looks absolutely epic. This is more or less how it's supposed to be. If we go to the tech specs, like the sound, 20 hertz to 22,000 hertz, they really do that. They really go low. The drivers are actually, I think they're probably related to the HXs and maybe even to the H95s. I'm not entirely sure, but they do sound it. They have a bit of a different frequency. Like I said, they are a bit more bassy, but for movies, it's so good. For sound, they sound really fun. I'll try and show you a little demo in a moment, and because I hope that via screen recording with the Dolby Atmos that you can hear what I'm hearing. So I would suggest you put on your headphones now and have a listen to what I'm going to listen. So to get Dolby Atmos ready, you download the Dolby app, and then you get a bunch of previews and about how it sounds. So if I click this, if you're wearing headphones, maybe turn it down a little bit depending on how loud I am. But I'll try and sort of live comment on what particular this one shows. It's bloody terrific already.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels
I can follow that.
to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy.
What they say is actually true. It's weird when the sound goes around you. I know it's only two drivers, but they actually do it. Dolby, amazing. B&O, amazing.
Whether the soundscape sits the mood of a scene,
Pull your vehicle to the side of the road.
Whoa! What is this place? Oh! Come on, you guys, let's go!
or captures the full extent.
Do you wanna know my secret?
If you listen to that on those, like, that sort of gets the hair in your neck standing up. I don't know how they did it,
Of
but
nature's
it's
fury.
amazing. The rain is literally coming down on me. That whale sound over there? Holy crap, that's realistic. And it's really like pushed over there, like it's 100 foot away, easy. It, for closed back headphones with a codec like this, it's surreal to experience. This is the closest thing you get to a Dolby Atmos system that you have at home, but then your room is completely treated because, I mean, there's not a lot I can hear outside of me going on, and I don't even have the ANC on at the moment. That is really like having a subwoofer on your head. You feel it. You know where it's at. It's pinpoint. Uh, as you can hear, sorry, this side. The mic actually for headphones is really good. Granted, this is over USB-C, but it's basically the same when over Bluetooth. Uh, compared to like my E8 third gen or my H4s I have over here. It's a step up in every which way. Up until this point, my E8s and the H4s, like these, were my favorite pair. But as for a conclusion, I can pretty much say with certainty that B&O outdid themselves again. Just about everything. Like, these were the most comfortable to me until now. The B&O Beoplay portals, they knocked it out at the park. Like, holy moly. Uh, it's such a great headphone or headset that I want these. Yeah, they're amazing. So, some final thoughts on these. To me, these are not as accurate as H95s. Don't get me wrong. The sound is fun though. In terms of like, if you're like a true audiophile, whatever that means, if you want the most accurate, best music headphones, H95s all day. However, if you want the best versatile, this can, like, this is actually dual purpose. It does more than just music. It does movies well. It does gaming extremely well. Movies are fantastic on these. Gaming is fantastic on these. Music is actually fun. It's not fatiguing. It's more of a fun sound. It's more of a I guess a sort of Beolab 5 sound. It's upbeat, it's energetic. You can still change it with the app, of course. But how they are naturally tuned, these are fantastic. If I were to spend my money right now and you had, let's say, 800 euros to spare, I would get these in an M3 over like the H95s. However, if you're a dedicated music listener, the H95s will beat these, I think. Well, I'm sure I listen to them. The H95s in pure music are better. Everywhere else, though, these are more fun. If I were to go on a trip and listen to music in like a plane or that sort of thing, easily these. They're actually, to my head, they're a bit more comfortable. And yeah, I wholeheartedly approve of these. Also, I mean, they're just gorgeous. They're easy to handle. I guess the only thing you miss is a carrying case. But I mean, if you're traveling, I would wear them like this because, I mean, other people, right? But since they're the same price as the HX, I would still go for these, even though the HXs are easier with a case and whatnot. They're just fun. It's enjoyment. It's a sort of joie de vivre, so to say. I really love these, and if you're gonna ask me which should I get, HXs or the Beoplay Portals, Beoplay Portals all the way. If you're gonna pure music, I would probably still say these, but not because they're better, but because they're more fun. And I hope that this sort of helps you make your choice if you're in the market for B&O headphones. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, it helps us out a lot, and see you all in the next one. Bye.